Okay, I got an old solenoid. I just check it real quick. What you can do is get you a meter out, right? Set this up so you can see it, hopefully. I don't know. It used to be like that, don't it? Okay. Alright, I got it all continuity. I got this wire is going negative on a battery. This wire I got connected, it'll be positive. So I'm going to put my lead right here, and then I'm going to take my wire and I'll tap my batteries positive, and we should hear continuity. Yeah, so anyway, that one works. So the other one looks old. Or, well, it looks like it was replaced, but probably a cheap Chinese knockoff or something. But anyway, that's a good way to test your solenoid. Okay, so to keep moving along, I got a couple of spark plugs ordered, but I checked those spark plugs that was in that motor, and they were dead. So here's a good way to check some spark plugs. I just pulled a whole bunch of them out. These are all looks like, you know, NGK BHWs, which is what, you know, they call for that motor, you know. And so just check it. You know, I could take, like, I got my meter set up over here and I got all continuity, and if you look at the electrode, right, we're just going to touch that center point of that electrode. Should have continuity. So, you know, I do on that one. And I've actually checked all of these. You know, if we want to, we could check all of them. And so that's continuity, but it's only on a 200 ohm rating. So it looks like 4 ohms. Let's see if we could go. I don't know if I can go lower. Let's see what it tells me. 0.2 ohms. How much resistance? Here's a champion plug. Right, now this one has the electrode. You can see, hopefully. See how that one has the electrode? But it's still the same deal. You just want to clamp onto your end there, and then touch that center electrode. So you won't have anything there, but if it's good, it's passing signal. Here's another champion. This one's UL77V. That first one is a B7HS. So that one passed. But and then we have our champion UL77V. And I got nothing. There's nothing, right? That motor calls for these BUHWs, pretty common. But I usually run champion plugs in them, so I'll get L76Vs. But we should have. This one's just carboned up, right? And we're about, I don't know, 10, 11 ohms, something like that. Here's another one. Try to pull the best ones. That one's pretty dirty. Probably won't use that one. This one's pretty clean. I clean that all off. Yeah, you know, it kind of bounces around because, you know, it's pulling on it. So this one and this one. This one's it's a little dirty, but I can get the engine to fire. So to clean these up, I'm just going to take some contact cleaner and some real light sandpaper I'll probably just clean right off there. I just have some electronic cleaner. I'll just spray them off. So yeah, that cleaned up real nice. This one's still got a little stuff on it. I cleaned it off enough to, you know, get it to fire. This one's pretty clean. Yeah, so anyway, clean those up. I'll just use these just to check and see if I can get it to fire over. I'm checking the fuel until my spark plugs come in, and we should be in good shape.